So starting the first drop from pocket height, bottom side facing the marble floor. The bottom edge seems perfectly fine after the first pocket height drop. The Realme C11 drop test should be interesting since it does not come with any type of corning glass protection on its display. The type of glass protection used is undisclosed to us and seems like a downgrade because the Realme C3 at least had basic corning glass protection on it. And the last device to be tested on the channel without corning glass protection, the Fusion Plus, did not end that well for the display unit. So in this drop test video of the Realme C11, will the undisclosed tempered glass protection given by Realme be able to survive the hard drop impacts or not? In the drop test, we will be dropping the Realme C11 from different heights and angles to know the drop impact resistance of its plastic body and design.
The world is too small.
Moving on, the second pocket height drop, top side facing down. The top side also looks okay until now, no damages or dents as yet. Next up, for the third pocket height drop, camera unit backside facing down. No marks on the plastic back or damages and shatter to the camera unit and glass. Next up, the fourth and last drop from pocket height, display glass side facing the floor. After 4 drops from pocket height, the Realme C11 has managed to sail through the first round without any damage. Next, in the second round of the drop test, increasing the drop height to about 1.6 meters, head height, bottom edge facing the floor. No dents or damages as of now to the plastic midframe, unlike few other unfortunate devices. Next up, second high drop, top edge facing down. The plastic frame seems to be handling the hard drop impacts pretty well, with no dents or breaks until now. Next up, turning on video recording for the third high drop, camera unit side facing down. The camera unit and glass has managed to survive both drops without taking in any damage. Now for the display side high drop you have been waiting for. Turning on video recording on the selfie camera, screen side facing down. We have to say that most budget devices in this lower price bracket with plastic builds are actually doing a great job in quality of materials and design. The Realme C11 passes the drop test without any internal hardware damage, glass shatter or dents to its plastic body.